at the intersection of ancient civilizations, where the East meets the West. An ancient, arresting, mysterious, captivating, and beyond imagination land of nomads stretches. The land that has witnessed global historic events and kept the spirit of history inside. There are the mausoleum of Jusi Han and prehistoric megalithic mausoleums of Begazi Dandibai culture here. This is the land that carries the remarkable diversity and primordial beauty of wild nature. From majestic peaks such as Mount Aksaran to the endless steppes full of miracles such as Shunak meteorite impact crater. From barren deserts to flowering oases and crystal clear lakes such as Shalkar, Imantau and Toraiger. From bewildering canyons to blood-chilling caves such as Koner Auliye. The land of the Great Steppe, sacred values and centuries-old culture. Proof of this historic Auliye historical and archaeological complex. The place where you meet an ancient chronicle and learn the recent history through cultural monuments such as Ayganim Homestead. The place where your new adventures, unforgettable emotions, and spiritual euphoria occur. Visit Kazakhstan. Explore the land of nomads.